Hello, in this video, I'm going to share with you the advantages or benefits of studying in Australia. सबसे पहले तो Australia has world-class education. There are at least 7 universities which are ranked amongst the top 100 in QS World University Rankings 2023. इसमें Australian National University, University of Melbourne, University of Sydney, University of New South Wales, University of Queensland, Monash और यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ वेस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया प्रोमिनेंट हैं। सेकेंडली, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो कम्युनिकेशन की लैंग्वेज है इट इज़ इंग्लिश, सो यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड इट वेरी इजी टू जेल इनटू द ऑस्ट्रेलियन सोसाइटी एंड कम्युनिकेट विद ऑस्ट्रेलियंस एंड अदर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स देयर। Thirdly, Australia welcomes all kinds of majors into its universities, ranging from science, technology, engineering and mathematics to all subjects in humanities, arts and social sciences. Fourthly, Australia is a culturally diverse country. You're going to find students, international students especially, from all parts of the world. So while you are sitting in a restaurant or moving in a market, supermarket or a mall, you're going to come across students of all nationalities. इसके अलावा Australia is a beautiful country from the point of view of its topography. For example, you are going to find lush rainforests as well as dry deserts. Wildlife भी Australia में amazing है. You're going to love the kangaroos and the cockatoo parrots. Next, Australia is well known across the world for its cutting-edge global research. So if you are a research-oriented student, you are going to find the best top-notch research facilities in Australian universities. And lastly, Australia is a country which offers a lot of employment opportunities while you are a student and in your post-education period. For every week, you are allowed to work for 20 hours, and then after your graduation, you are given post-education work visa to find employment and start your job. So if you are really interested in exploring Australia as a country where you would like to build your future, join Tracks.